This is the JF-17 Thunder behind me, Block 3. One of my personal favourite aircraft, run by the Pakistan Air Force. Absolutely beautiful plane. The avionics suite on it especially is amazing. Hey, the heads-up displays, really nice big heads-up displays as well. Jammer pod as well, got an excellent jammer pod, as well as the missile systems. Probably one of the most dangerous in the world. But absolutely stunning aircraft, absolutely amazing to see it fly, and especially the beautiful engine run by one of the modified MiG-29 engines. Absolutely stunning, great aircraft to see and great aircraft I bet to fly. So
we've got the JF-17 Block 3 right here, and it's a beautiful sounding aircraft. Watching it land yesterday, it was really good to see here at Riyadh this year. It's a really big honour for us here to work with you guys in the Pakistan Air Force, and it's just really good to see, really nice aircraft in general. It's been a pleasure, and we do definitely hope to work with you guys soon.